Hello and welcome to the Sri Chakra Swamini channel. Presently we will try to understand the geometry of a couple of basic arithmetic formulae. Basic entities of geometry. The first basic entity of geometry is a point. The notation of a point is n raised to 0. The numerical value of the point n raised to 0 is equal to 1. The second basic entity of geometry is a line interval. The notation of a line interval is n raised to 1. The numerical value of the line interval n raised to 1 is equal to n. Types of line intervals. A line interval can be of three types: open line interval, closed line interval, and half line interval, which are of two types. The open line interval has one interval and closed interval has 2 points and one interval. The half line interval has 1 point and one interval each. To two dimension of half line interval. A half line interval is subsplit and taken from the x-axis onto y-axis, rotating over the point of origin as the common vertex. The space occupied between the two lines is the area, which is n raised to 2. Now we have 1n raised to 0 plus 2n raised to 1 plus 1n raised to 2. The point and two line intervals and the area between the two lines. This represents the formula a plus 1 the whole square is equal to a square plus 2a plus 1, which fulfills the standard formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now let us understand the one dimension to the three dimension of a half line interval. A half line interval is subsplit into three axes and taken onto the two y and z axes in addition to the existing x axis while turning on the point of origin. Now we have 1n raised to 0 plus 3n raised to 1 plus 3n raised to 2, that is the area between the z and y axis is 1n raised to 2. The area between the x and the y axis is another n raised to 2. The area between the x and z axis is the third n raised to 2 plus 1 n raised to 3. The volume of the cube is equal to n raised to 3. This represents the formula a plus 1 the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square plus 3a plus 1, which fulfills the standard formula a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. All in one place. This is another way to show the relationship between the geometry of one-dimensional, two-dimensional, three-dimensional and four-dimensional objects to their corresponding arithmetic formulae. Thank you for watching the Sri Chakra Swamini channel.